I'm just calling to say
Here's a new portable monitor by UPerfect. 4K. Screen protector. Beautiful, look at that, so thin. And so this is what you get inside the box: a gift card, warranty card. You've got the UPerfect 4K portable touchscreen 15.6-inch monitor user manual. Very classy, beautiful packaging. HDMI cable, USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to USB-A. Not sure what that is. USB-C, I'll have to open it. This is used to put the screen protector on your screen, and that'll be the power adapter. So there are two USB-C to USB-C cables because the power adapter or the power brick is USB-C. So I have the monitor on. It is impossibly thin. Beautifully built. On the left bottom, you've got a micro USB port, a power button, and an audio port. And on the right hand side, you've got two USB-C ports. So I've got one connected to power and one connected to my Asus laptop computer, and also a mini HDMI port. In settings, I've got it set to a display resolution of 3840 by 2160, which is the maximum available. Quite responsive. And the credit for the video, Costa Rica and 4K 60 frames per second. And you can see the quality is at 4K, 2160.
I'm just calling to say
Thank you for watching. I've just arrived in the Caribbean from Los Angeles, and since I bought this monitor for traveling, I brought this monitor with me, and while I'm here, I'll do a part 2 with a more detailed look at the features and functions of this 4K monitor.